Good morning, guys. Life was a busy. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's like 8 something. He woke up at almost 8. He woke up at 7:45, and which he let me sleep in a little bit, but I'm just about to get out of bed because we're hungry. Oh, Miles. How handsome. So we're gonna get out of bed finally, and I have to clean. Oh, I have to clean and make food. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, my hair's a mess. My house is a mess. My husband's a mess.
You know what's a mess? My stomach. Every time I come home, there's no ice cream that I bought.
It's all Miles' fault.
Lies. All lies.
State of my kitchen.
I come from work and I see this.
Angel just took this out because he doesn't know how to put it away. Alex made oatmeal yesterday and never cleaned it. Jace was heating up his pizzas. Angela made spaghetti the other night. Never cleaned it. I'm telling you, my house is a mess. And dishes. Dishes everywhere. Oh, man. And then my brother has his stuff here that he hasn't picked up yet. So that's just sitting in my lovely kitchen.
My wife's cup, she always leaves in the window and never picks it up.
Are you talking shit?
Are you gonna put this away? Or should I?
That's not my cup.
How do you know?
Because I know.
Oh,
I know.
Goodness, it doesn't have her. Oh, it does have her lips on it. Huge.
No, shut up. Stupid. I hope you choke on your sandwich. Miles keeps trying to look at himself in the camera. Hi, Miles. Your hair's crazy like mommy's. I swear you're just like Alex. So, a few little updates. I know it's been a while since I've recorded a video. Miles is 5 months old. Milo, our cat, had to be taken back to the vet because his UTI was back after he was on antibiotics for it. Then it turned out that he had a blockage, and he was going to continue having these issues unless we did like a surgery for him that was really expensive. So they had to put him down. And the kids were having a really hard time with Milo being gone. And my little sister took her, the black cat Duke back home. So we were...
She has no heart.
Shut up. We were without a cat for a while. Like almost a month.
2 days.
It was not 2 days. 2 days. You're so dramatic. I didn't want to get another cat because it was just like, it was so hard. And then my friend gave us this pillow. Sorry, Miles, you're going to have to hold it. Look at my kid. That's Milo. I'm sorry. But the kids were having a really hard time without having Milo or Dookie in the house. So I convinced my husband to let us adopt 2 kittens. So these are the 2 kittens. The black and white one. Her name is her name at the shelter was Fiore, but we call her Flower because she reminds me of the skunk from Bambi. Flower, Flower. She's 4 months old.
5 now.
No, she's 4 months. And then the one sniffing around that kind of looks like Milo.
She got her shot.
She got her 4-month shot.
She got a 5-month shot.
Okay. So that one right there, her name is Autumn because she's a Torby cat. So she has mixes of black, like an orangey brown and white. She's so skittish. They brought her in as a feral kitten because they didn't have any information on her, and she's so skittish. She's scared of like every little noise that we make, but she's the sweetest little kitten ever. And Flower's just crazy. She nurses on Autumn when she's like trying to get comfortable. So we have a long day. Angela's gonna help me clean up the house. The kids are at my sister's house. They spent the night last night, and then we're gonna meet up at my youngest sister's house, and we're gonna help her clean the yard. So you guys are gonna get to see that. He's gotten so big and strong. He likes to sit up on his own. Look, he's already trying to like sit me up, woman. Look at that. Hi, Miles. Oh, there he goes. What happened? What happened? Did you fall down? He's like, no, I didn't. Miles, are you gonna sit up? He's like, about time. What is this? It's not funny, I know. There we go. He has at least some support. Miles. Hi, handsome. Miles fell asleep. He was tired. And Angela. Hi. He's gonna help clean because if I put this little this baby down, he might wake up and not let me do anything. So we're getting ready to go to my sister's house. Miles got a little outfit change. Hi, Miles. No more onesie for you.
They took the commander. Here, take this. Free the general. Go to the commander.
Handsome boy's little outfit. Miles, say hi. He's like, leave me alone. Little shorts and socks. He's so cute. You ready to go, handsome? How did you take it off? Okay. Say bye-bye. We're on our way to my little sister's house. We're supposed to be there at 11. Angela, what time is it? 10:55? Okay. We're still not gonna make it at 11.
Nope.
Look at all this mess.
Look at this place. It looks like a tornado dumped stuff on it. And now we're gonna clean it up.
It smells like poop out there. And look at this one, working so hard.
have a.
Does this work? Huh?
Let's say turn around, Nancy. I want to see Miles. Let me see.
Don't you laugh at
Oh,
him.
he's asleep.
They were all making fun of me. All of them laughing their butts off. Because Miles is on my back.
Not me. Not me. Not me.
I think he's asleep.
I'm going inside.
That's all we're doing for now. This is exhausting. You can finally see the cement patio here. I trimmed down the palm trees. It looks a lot nicer. And for now, all the trash is being taken over here. And then once we have the yard a lot cleaner and the side yard here cleaned up, we're gonna hire one of those trucks to come out here to pick up all the junk. These vines are pretty, but they're just freaking, look at this, they just like overtake everything. I'm gonna do these ones next weekend because I'm too tired. There's a lot of work. Look at that. It looks so pretty, but it's gonna be a bitch to clean up. We're back home. She's so scared. Adam. So we are going back next Saturday.
I got my glasses.
We're going back next Saturday to help clean up the yard again. That's my hand. Stop, Alex. You're being annoying.
Yeah, no one's annoyed.
Go clean your room. Yeah, not so annoying anymore, huh? Like, I can already feel that I'm going to be sore tomorrow. And I still have to clean the house. Well, the boys and Angela are going to help. And Angela's going to do laundry today. it's so hard when I'm working Monday through Friday to be able to like clean anything or do laundry or anything like that, because this little guy, he demands a lot of attention. He's so cute.
She said, I feel like whenever I get Indian food from the Indian place, they always have more sauce. And then she looks at me and she's like, right? I was like, should I add more sauce to it? And then she walked away.
This one did that. What? Angela, what's wrong? You looking for something else to eat?
Something to drink.
He doesn't like Indian food.
He doesn't like Indian food? There's pizza. There's chicken wings.
And we're getting
There's
naan.
calores. There's calores. At least close the fridge all the way. No, it's okay. It's already done.
Gotta look in here.
He acts like he lives here. You don't live here.
So?
You want some Ritz crackers?
Ooh, yellow scrappers.
And look at Hiro's wearing his little outfit today.
Don't look at me, I'm shy.
You didn't catch that? The fumble?
No. Angela, you play for the Packers too?
Huh?
Huh?
At least I have a team.
Okay. Oh my God.
The team you came from.
Oh no, I feel so bad. I'm so sad I don't have a team.
Oh, Nancy, don't pull your hair out. I
It's
know
already
you're stressed
falling out.
I know you're stressed out that you don't have a team. But it's not worth pulling your hair out for.
Like there's new growth right now.
We just left Miles laying there.
Oh, it's nice out here. We're at my sister's house. This is her little yard. My other sister's house. I'm so sore from yesterday. Like my shoulders and my arms. I need to work out more. That was a workout. And we're going back next Saturday to help clean some more. Man, I didn't agree to this. I didn't even clean my house. I had the boys pick up a little bit, but I didn't clean it the way that I want to clean it. And I ended up getting like a huge migraine last night, and I was throwing up. It was so bad. I feel better today. But today we decided to make tikka masala, but they didn't have the pre-made jar sauce, so my sister got some type of coconut curry.
Hello. Wait, I want to show you guys something. My new intro. You just say you're watching Phantom Morales. Alright, bye.
Anyways, so she couldn't find the tikka masala sauce, so she got, do you have the dress? Wow.
I can dig it out of the trash can. Oh, I look horrible.
You look like that all the time.
It makes my skin look red.
So we're eating some type of Indian coconut curry.
Let me dig it out of the trash. It is.
And naan. The naan we got from Costco. Jalfrezi coconut curry. don't know what we're gonna make next weekend.
No, we haven't decided that. We usually decide that after we finish this and decide how it turned out.
I kind of want some ceviche though.
Oh, I made ceviche the other day.
Do you still have some?
No, they gobbled it up. Me and Mom.
They gobbled it up. This was so hard to make. It's like I didn't get to relax at all. Oh, and there's yours too.
Really? Because you were sitting on the couch for a long time.
Okay, it hurts to sit on that couch, okay? Freaking my no butt hurts.
Man, he's gonna be right there on the right side
Miles.
screen right there. He
Miles.
came in with a bit of an ankle injury. And hopefully he'll be okay.
He was asleep and then I put him down. Adorable you guys are. You guys are so cute. Just like sitting on Autumn. Autumn, it's okay. It's just me. It's just me. She's like, get off me. So it's been a few hours since I've gotten home from my sister's house. I had to take Miles a bath and put him to sleep. So he's asleep right now. And I realized that I never filmed the outro to the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope there was like some parts in there that are funny because I think we're pretty funny. That's my personal biased opinion. I did get to clean up a little bit, but not like how I wanted to, but maybe we'll do that next weekend if I'm not too tired. Oh wait, Flower's nursing on Autumn. Like, hello, there's no milk there. And she just lets her. You're such a good mama. So when we rescued them, Autumn was brought in as a feral kitten, and then they moved her with the other kittens when they realized she wasn't feral. And Flower was there with her sister, and they looked like twins. And they were together in the same kennel. And then we wanted to rescue Autumn for sure, and then Flower, and they were put in the same box. They were never associated together. They were put in the same box, and they were just like, they became the bestest friends. And she's so sweet. She just lets her nurse. Like, look at that. She's going at it too. And look at her. Just purring away. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you guys come back for another video next weekend when we make more progress on the yard. And my lazy husband, he's not lazy. He works very hard for us. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.